Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This is Miss Jackie Russell and I'm so glad to have you here, and I would like to welcome you to Hello Fall. We are having a fall collaboration, and this is a pillow that I got from the Habitation box last year for fall. Isn't it beautiful? And I thought, since our collab is called Hello Fall, that I would pull this out and show to you all that that's how it came, with that little tag on there. I just thought that was so appropriate for this collaboration. That's right, we have a collaboration. Hello Fall, our host is Lori with Lori's Life and her assistant Lori Latimer, and both of them have been co-working together to bring us all together, and there are 18 altogether in this collaboration. I'm going to be showing you some fall decor from a mystery box that I got from Habitation box, and that'll be coming up real soon. Right now I want to tell you about our collaboration. Each person is able and free to either make a craft, decor, like show a decorated area in their home or something that they have done for fall. They can do decoration hauls like from Target or Dollar Tree or wherever they would like. And or in my case, I'm going to have an unboxing with Habitation box. So she gave us a free leadway. If we wanted to do a DIY, we certainly could. If we want to just craft and decorate an area, we could. It was totally up to us. So each one of these videos will be different, and each channel will have their own version of Hello Fall. Now, there are 3 groups in our collaboration. Group 1 is Lori Latimer, Wicked Awesome Lifestyles, Charmaine's Stay-cation, Lori's Life, Susan's Just Makin It, and Sandy's Books and Beauty. Now that is group 1. They will all have giveaways. With these giveaways, you do have to be subscribed to all in that group in order to win their particular giveaway. If you want to participate in all groups and have a chance to win from all 18 channels, you will need to be subscribed to all channels in order for that to work for you. But we do have it broke up into groups. I'm going to have my giveaway open for 2 weeks, so it'll give you plenty of time to go through the playlist if you want and see all the videos and participate in all the giveaways and see all the videos and learn about all these ladies, because some of these may be new to you. I know some were new to me, and we're learning each other, and it's a great way to help each other grow our channels and for you to meet new friends as well as us. So here we go. In group 2, we have Rita, we have Miss Jackie Russell, myself, we have Tracy and Chloe's Unboxing Beauty and More, we have Bootsy on the Beat, we have TEA Tea Time Adventures, we have Real Life with Hope. And in group 3, we have Laura Wooten Unboxings, Erica Conger, Taylor Marie, Unboxing with Arleen, Kim's A Little Alot, and Simply Southern Belle. Now, some of these are new channels, so I would definitely recommend you going and checking them all out. Technically, I think this is going to be a wonderful collab, and that you would want to see the different varieties of what we all come up with. Now, like I said, mine is going to be the Habitation box. It came in the mail to me. It's got Habitation tape all over it, and that is how Kelly sends it out. And you can save 10% off your box with Miss Jackie Russell. And guys, I believe you can order out of her shop as well as subscribe. So I got this box out of her shop. It is a mystery box. It was $39.99, and that is what I paid for it. So we're going to pop in here and see what we have to decorate for fall. If you're not familiar with the Habitation box, she does it monthly, and you can also get it done quarterly, but her monthly subscriptions are $120 on an annual contract, and that's where you get 6 to 9 items of very well curated decor package for your home, and it's all coordinated. Each month everything kind of coordinates with everything that you've received previously and or for the season. You can also buy the Habitation box The 121 is the Elite, but you can also buy a 4 to 6 items box, the Habitation box, and that one is like $79.99. It's a very nice subscription. I really like it. I usually get it quarterly, and that works out good for me. Now, inside here, of course, we have paper. The first item I'm pulling out of here, and I have no idea on prices, but we've got like a little wreath holder. So this ought to be interesting. It's like a little candle holder. It can be like a candle holder or a small wreath. You can decorate either way. You could probably even put that up on the wall, but isn't that pretty for fall? I love that. Let's see what else she's got in here. Looks like we have just some loose dried flowers that we can work with. Very nice. We got a couple of, I guess these are corns to represent corn, and it's got the, I guess like the, I don't know what you call that, but you can hang them up. You see that? So you can hang them up if you want to. And there is this. Isn't this awesome? I have one of these. I got it in last year's box. Isn't this beautiful? Autumn Wishes. And of course you hang it up, and it's just gorgeous. And I love it with the little pumpkin on there. And if you're one of those talented persons that can DIY, you could even make personal, note on there if you wanted to add something to your little pumpkin. But I just think that is gorgeous. And then the last item in here, and you usually get 4 to 5 items, is Welcome Home. Now, isn't that pretty? Welcome Home. Oh, I love that. That's very, very fall looking, and I love that it's got the white pumpkins. This is very nice. It's a nice piece of wood that's been painted and sanded down, and then it has this nice little decoration on it. So as you can see through the Habitation box, and this was $39.99 in their mystery category, it was fall mystery box. And I can't say that you'd get the exact same thing if you ordered a mystery box, because she curates them as, she sells them, or she has them already prepackaged and they could have different items in it. But as a recap, we had the Autumn Wishes and Welcome Home. And isn't that appropriate, because a lot of people come home for the holidays, especially Thanksgiving. We got our dried flowers. We got our corn and husk. Maybe that's what I was trying to say. Our corn and husk. And wouldn't that make a nice little decor with this? Oh yeah, that would be very nice. And then we got our little candle ring holder. And you could set a candle right down in there, and it would look very nice, or any other type of small round thing, because you can see you've got a hole there in order to use that for a candle ring holder. But isn't this lovely? I just love it. And even this would coordinate with it because it has the white daisy sunflower in there. So just a lovely, lovely box. So as a recap, we got our decorated wreath that can be used for a candle. We got our wooden Welcome Home plaque with the white pumpkins on there and decor. We got our corn and corn husk little decor items, like I said, that can be hung up and strung along. We got our dried yellow flowers here. And we got this lovely Autumn Wishes. Now, there will be a giveaway with this. And what's going to be in the giveaway? Well, number one, you have to be 18 years or older in order to participate in this giveaway. You must have an address within the Continental USA. You must be subscribed to everyone in group 2. In my group, it is Rita, Tracy and Chloe, Bootsy on the Beat, Tea Time Adventures, and Real Life with Hope, and me. So you have to be subscribed to all 6 of us in order to enter our giveaways. YouTube and or Habitation box or any product shown are not affiliated with this giveaway in any shape or form. Now, in my giveaway since you can tell back behind me, I already have an autumn wishes back there, and I've got it already up. Guys, this is going to be in the giveaway, so one of you will have your own to use for this fall. I will have this in the giveaway. I am going to toss in these little corn and corn husk decorations, and you're going to get this scented Robin's Nest candle, which has a very wonderful scent, and it does smell kind of like fall, so it'll be perfect. And it's got the orangey colors. And as you're sitting around with your family and friends, I'm going to send this box of organic infusion Yuyo Mint Mate teas. This is a Southern American super herb, so this ought to be great. And while you're in the house and you're trying to get all prepared for your company during the holidays, I'm going to send this walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. This is from Grove, and this is very cool. There's 2 of them in here to help you clean up your dishes and anything else you may need to. And I'm going to throw in the Grove Bubble Up. This here is a dish cleanser. You have this beside your sink. You put in your dish soap and you put some water in there. You set this down in there, and then you can push this down and it bubbles up and it cleans your dishes and or anything that you may be scrubbing up. So this too will be in the giveaway. So what do you have to do? What word do you have to use? Well, you know what? I think I'm just going to go with Hello Fall. That is going to be our secret code word, Hello Fall, in the comments below. And then you will be eligible for my giveaway as long as you are subscribed publicly to all 6 channels in group number 2. And you will get the Bubble Up Grove. You will get some tea. You will get a candle. You will get a scrubber to clean up things around the house while your company or before your company comes. And of course, to decorate with, you'll have the autumn wishes, and you'll have the 2 little corn and husk to go along with that. So be sure and use Hello Fall in the description so you can win. Guys, that is my giveaway. That is my Hello Fall. I want to thank Lori's Live for inviting me. You're very sweet. If you haven't gone to Lori's channel, you need to go check her out. She is great, as all the women are in this collaboration. All 18 are worth your time, and you'll love them if you'll just go see them. And I want to thank Lori Latimer, because she has also been helping Lori, and she has put our playlist together and helped keep us all organized. So that is the Hello Fall collaboration. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you love what I am giving away, and you will enter to win. And check out all the other ladies, because like I said, they are all worth your time, and each one of us will have different items that we're bringing to the table, different ideas. So it's not like you're going to see the same old thing on each video, and everybody has free will of their giveaways. Now, some giveaways may last a week, some may last 2 weeks. Mine is going to last for 2 weeks. So this is coming out October 1st, and it will close October 15th, and I will announce the winner on October 16th. So mark those dates and be sure to check back when I announce the winner of the Hello Fall collaboration. As for today, that's all I have. Be sure and check my description for any current giveaways and our collaborations that may be going on. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.